What are you doing, huh, Eden?
I'm just pooping.
Oh, you're just pooping? You're gonna love this when you're like 18. You're gonna be so embarrassed.
Oh, no, I'm not, Dad. I'm only a baby.
Yeah, it'll be embarrassing when you're like 18, though. When your girlfriend comes over.
Don't worry, honey. We're not gonna show her.
You done pooping now? No. Oh, it's funny to you too, huh, bud? Alright, we'll leave you alone.